Hi, this is Jeff at Hoyt with a quick tutorial around exchanging the lanyard as well as the throttle spring. So these are the tools you're going to need: your 1.5 millimeter hex, a small screwdriver, a needle nose plier, and some sort of fire. So let's start by removing the grip tape. And then the hex from the back. I've left just one in just to speed this up. That comes off. Now we've got these four little screws that need to come out. Now, PCB comes away with the battery. Here's your throttle with the spring that you can replace if you get the performance spring package. And now we need to pull this out. Oops. We're also going to need some scissors or a knife. Comes off. And that through the back. Here you can use the pliers again to pull this through. Now the fun part for all you pyros. And then get it so it's actually flaming. Ensure a really solid connection. Okay. So that's good to go. Now you want to replace your throttle and keep track of this spring because these guys can jump all over the place. Now, battery goes in like this. You want to make sure that this wire stays above this screw if you can. Just makes things easier later on. Place these screws. And once you've got all four back in, then shove these wires down here in the corner. Make sure that you've got space for that screw, and you're back in business.